in this video where I revive my broken and rusty Chiminea and turn it into something even better than it used to be, in another instalment of the Cr4p Heap challenge. Well, this is my Chiminea. As you can see, it's seen better days. It's not quite there anymore. It used to look something like this, and to be fair to it, it has seen a fair amount of abuse. Oh, there it goes.
Man. This is a total abuse.
The Aldi Chiminea.
It's like loudest fireplace you've ever had.
So as part of a Cr4p Heap challenge style video, because instead of botching it with other things, I've actually bought some materials. So I've got some mesh and big bars, and I'm going to make the Chiminea Mark II so we can inevitably abuse it again and get up to our Chiminea shenanigans. So I've got these big old angle bars, which all the stuff I've ordered here has cost more than the Chiminea cost originally to buy, so that's good. Put this on here. Yes. So these lovely angle brackets are going to slot in on the edge. I'll bolt them in, cut them to height, and put some, that stays there, and I'll put some mesh to cover up and have a nice 360 fire experience. Be very, very good. And of course, safety first. So I'm wearing gloves and safety eye gear for when I get the angle grinder out as well. It also needs some base repairs. I think that was once part of this. Anyway, so I think first things first, we'll get this horrible middle bit, which we are replacing, out. There's one bolt there, but I don't think it's going to be coming out very easily. So I've got professional tools. Eye gear must be worn at all times using something like this. Been a bit stubborn. The Chiminea is burning once again. Oh. That's broken the bottom off. Well, I guess just what? But obviously this is some really useful scrap metal, so we'll keep that. That might come in handy. So we've now got the top bit with some nasty sharp edges now, because that's actually metal, not rust. So the plan is we're going to remount this somewhat questionable lid back on so it vents the smoke up away from us, as it should intend, somewhere like that, and rebuild the mesh in the middle. Look good. I could angle grind all these off to make it look nice, but I think leave them on for patina. Yeah, patina. In hindsight, I wish I bought 4 of these, but then it would have cost like double the amount of money. So, yeah. Anyway, oops. Oh, I've damaged that. I think. Oh. Oh no. Anyway, I shall get a tape measure and something to mark them with. And as per usual, we've started this in the evening, so light is disappearing, which means the quality of the video will also drop, and we'll inevitably run out of light halfway through. Anyway, so I'm going to cut them all 1 metre and just have 4 like that. In fact, there's quite a lot anyway. Should I just do what I was going to originally do? Because going to the floor doesn't do that much difference. It'd be better, but cut them all in half, we'll go from there and try and get them all looking level somewhat. 1 metre is there. There's something. Bolt this in here. Oh yeah, made to fit. Look. Anyway, round 2. 1 metre. Obviously this is the accurate method. I might even doesn't work. Sorry neighbours. Like I said, this metal's going to be really good because it's really thick and won't burn through it, but it also won't cut through it that easily. But we've made it. Now we shall acquire this to the workbench barbecue table. Ow, sharp there. Wear gloves, obviously. Bolt these on in here. Yeah, they're not even wide enough. Uh-ohs. Anyway, we'll carry on. We'll burn that bridge when we come to it. I'll measure from the thing. Where should we go up to? This is going to be 100% guesswork, obviously. That's got to be enough, surely. That'll be like loads in the other bit. We have got to have extra in the top bit, because the top bit is of poor health, should we say. The idea is, hopefully when that's on there, the heat from the fire will drag the smoke up through. It probably won't work, and probably get blown smoke out whenever it blows a wind, but it's the trial, it's the thought that counts, you know. And I'll do a nice let's do 24, that seems like a good measurement to do them all. Good number, 24. That's the oily side. Ew. Put a bolt. I think if I do one there, one this side higher up, or do I do 3? 1, 2, 3. Maybe do 3. Lots. We have a total of 15. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Because I need enough, at least 4 on the grills, I think. So 4. There's 3 of them. So 4, 8, 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. Told you 24 is a magic number. So we'll carry on as we are. Need a drill now. I bought equipment to help with filming when, because I think this sort of like the frame rate's already going to be dropping, isn't it? I have an 8mm drill bit. They were 6, but they've got washers. Be alright, won't it? So I'll just drill some holes in random locations because I'm good like that. Maybe I'll start with a smaller bit first. Oh no, this might be a disaster again. Oh mate, excellent.
Huh.
Now we're doing business, boys.
That drill bit was a bit crap.
Sorry neighbours. Voila. Yeah. Oh, I'm so good. Yes, I am. Oh, look at that. Perfect.
Ooh.
Oh no, there's a tree! It's already looking mean. It's not tight yet, so it's kind of... So yeah, if I put this on the diagonal side, we can mark that.
Mm-hmm.
Then maybe mark... have you realised I have no idea what I'm doing?
I bought that when you bought the vessel in the first place.
What am I saying? What could possibly go wrong? Now, we've got, oh yeah, tree. Because obviously this is going to want to sit in a particular spot.
Mm-hmm.
Wasn't this high before?
No.
What's happened? Because it was... It was to sit like there.
But that's roughly where it was, right?
Unless these can move in. We could actually make it a bigger one, but
There's only the grills.
bigger.
With the bigger grills, like double the price.
Yes. Okay then, that's manageable, I'm sure. This bit doesn't give me much hope.
It is really.
Why is it? It should work theoretically. Why is it not working? I feel like this is going to be a 2-day project now. This ain't the sort of thing you can bash out in one evening, apparently. And then mark that and drill it, I suppose. This makes no sense because this should work. It's the same. It's following the same.
Well, the same pattern, the angle.
What has happened?
You happened.
What happened, dear Chiminea? Guess I'll just have to have some holes. And just have a little bit of gappage at the bottom. Gappage. Yeah, look at that, it's fixed. Kind of.
It's back to its normal self.
It's better than it was before.
You sound Mad Max stuff on.
It's my Mad Max Chiminea. I got 2 washers. And no nut. Get me nut. Nut. It's all coming together. Tonight, a man struggles with some bits of metal. My drill bit going blunt because it's taken a while. I think you have to carry on if I'm not working tomorrow. God dang it. Once again, we have worked on into the night. Nocturnal animals, must not. So.
It's definitely taller.
Yeah.
It's too big to get in the bloody shot.
Look at that. It's like modern art, I think. That's what you call that. Well, as much as I want to carry on, I suppose I've got to wait till the morning. Or mid-afternoon again. Well, it's day number 2 and I've got some drilling to do. It's really awkward when there's only one of me. It's just me, no one to man the camera, so it's going to be a tripod from here on out. But I've got some work to do. Well, that's what we have so far. As you can see, it's not quite there yet. So let's crack on and do some drilling. That's really nice. Put it there and then mark up here, and we'll grind the top edges off. Don't worry, I've found the perfect tool. Just to... oh yeah, look at that. If I can wedge that in, then bolt wherever I can get it into these main sides, that would be excellent. So, if I put something in top and bottom... oh, that looks the bollocks. I don't know about you, but I think that looks the bollocks. With the old bit of metal just there, just like that. Proper wrap style that. Well, she's certainly getting there now. Got the metal meshes in, all bolted up, and yeah, nearly ready to rock and roll. But we do need a base. There's the old one. The old one's looking a little bit worse for wear. Got a nice bit of sheet steel to make me a new base out of, to slot in down there, look. So I've just got to cut that, put it in there, and just be ready to fire back up. Time to put on the safety glasses. Will it or won't it? That'll do. That'll do nicely, look. Oh wow. Of course it would start to rain. Well, there she is, all ready to rock and roll. So with any luck the rain will go away for later. I think we'll still light it if it's raining regardless. Give it the first fire up. Instantly just all the things melt. Going now.